What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a pair that I'm so glad to get in hand. Really looking forward to this drop this year. And it is the Nike SB Crenshaw Skate Club Dunks. And before we get in this box, we're going to talk about the shoe. Nigel, what should they do? Was their first time here?
Yeah, bro. If you ain't got it already, you know you need to ring that notification bell. If it's not your first time here and you ain't did it before, we say it in every video. So at this point, you're just not listening. So you can really just go if you don't listen to what we say.
Ring the bell, please. We appreciate you supporting us,
Thank
vibing
you.
with us. If you've been here before, you coming back. Thanks for rocking with us. We are knocking on the door of 4K. 5Ks right after that. We just gonna keep it moving.
Yeah.
All right. So with that said, we're gonna get right into this Nike SB box. This is the sale era box, right? They have like their themes all the time. It was like rainbow, purple box. This right now we're in the sale era. So you got the sale colored SB box. There's the label, Nike Dunk, SB Dunk Low Pro. What does the color say here?
Right.
Dunk Low SB, sorry. Sale, light blue, and cedar.
Cedar.
All right, so we talk about that. This shoe, we're just gonna get it out, then I'm gonna tell some stories. We can talk about it. What, man? What? Got some extras in here?
Why they do that?
Why they do that?
Why they just put the insoles right there?
We're gonna talk about it.
Okay.
You about to find out.
I guess I am.
You're gonna learn today.
That's why we make these videos.
That's it. So we can find out, you can find out.
Yeah.
Definitely so you can find out, Nigel.
I mean,
All right.
yeah.
So the shoe itself, Crenshaw Skate Club, is a shoe, man. I really was looking forward to this. I talk about design and doing something different. And Nike SB just always comes through. And there's just a great story behind this shoe. All right.
It's hard.
You like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of detail going on. We're gonna talk about them. So Crenshaw Skate Club was started by a guy named Toby McIntosh, and this kid, I mean, literally he's a kid. He's like in college right now.
Wow.
And Toby's been a skater since he was, like his early teens or whatever. He was on Sneakers Live about a few weeks ago, prior to the drop, right? 3 or so weeks before the drop. Shoes dropped on August 5th, $130. But he was on Sneakers Live talking about his skating days out in the Crenshaw area district, LA, California. Young guy, small kid, and he was talking about his dad used to drop him off at the skate park when he was like, 11, 12 years old. He'd go skate and hang out. And when he was about 14, he, had a love for skating and started with a t-shirt. Talk about you and your fashion interest, man, and doing things. So the kid started selling t-shirts, just like literally, I think like one t-shirt. Yeah. And then with his skate collective of friends, Crenshaw Skate Club was born, right? It wasn't like a big, huge operation or anything like that. It was like the t-shirts, and then that spawned into them doing some other stuff. They got a whole merch line and signature style that they do. But then somehow the dude got a deal at Nike SB caught wind of it. Wow. And he got a collab, with Nike SB, and the kid is literally in college right now.
Wow.
Like in school, you
Started
got
off skateboarding, high school, making t-shirts.
Yeah. And in college, and you got a Nike SB out in the streets with your company, doing numbers. Like, I mean, I think these pairs definitely sold out, and on the secondary right now, they're like worth about $370. I mean, they retail for $130.
Dang, they get resell too.
Yeah. They were limited, fairly limited. Shout out to my dude Mike down in Savannah, Georgia. I always talk about working your network. Mike's my guy. He entered in a local skate shop raffle down in there at Clockwork Skate Shop. Look them up if you're down in that area. But they are legit. And he's like,
and they had these in there.
Yeah, it was a raffle, and he's like, dude, I got the email. Yes. So he put in for me. And this all I always talk about sneaker comment too, because I actually was able to get him a pair of Lost and Founds on the restock. With Mommy Seed. So we hooked that up and hooked him up with the Lost and Founds. He's like, whatever I could do, I'll definitely pay it back. And this was payback.
Nice.
So anyway, the shoe itself, man, Nike SB always does their touches of just like, uniqueness.
Like the SB is really where they be going crazy.
Yeah,
and whatever.
like a real artful approach.
Being creative, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the materials on it, you got like a nice suede on the upper and the side panels.
Right.
This cream color, and then
this
Yeah, this like greenish brown
Is there an
situation.
explanation?
So this is like a patina, right? That
Nope.
like you know, so
Bell's
patina.
not ringing.
Patina is like, this is from reminiscent of a street sign, like street signs in their Crenshaw neighborhood. And Toby said he had his buddy who was an artist come up with this, you know, just kind of paint up something that looked like the street signs. Like you got like these like iron kind of colored street signs in that neighborhood. And then they start changing color and points and you're getting like green and brown on the street sign. So he wanted to put that,
That's hard.
yeah, on the actual shoe.
Yeah.
And the way they layered this in, this is actually something that will wear away. Like if you're skating these and you kind of beat them, it wears down. And there's like, you know, I think the brown comes off or the green comes off. One of them comes off.
It's probably like,
I want to say the brown is
I
just,
think the brown comes
Yeah,
off. It
that's-
looks like it's kind of layered on top.
yeah, that's kind of like the top layer.
Yeah, that's tough though.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
like skating these, and then it's funny because it's like
Yeah.
you're skating in these, but the people that made these was skating. They had skating in mind when they made these. So you skating in these and changing the shoes. It's like you're just skating.
Yeah, you're just doing what you love. They're made for skating, right?
Right.
That's, I mean, I don't skate, you know, I don't play basketball professionally either, but I like to wear basketball shoes.
Yeah, but
But,
I love me some SB stuff.
Yeah,
Still.
comfortable. They're comfortable as I don't know what. The extra
Yeah.
padding, you know, you got the nice padded tongue.
Yeah.
So yeah, you got
So,
that.
You got the light blue on the swoosh here
Yeah, and on the back.
and on the back. Where you got the CSC
Yeah,
logo. Is that their logo right there?
yeah, the CSC. It's like their font.
Yeah.
So, but look at the blue is like a crackle on that leather, like on the swoosh and on the back tab. You see that?
Yeah.
Like a more cracked appearance to that leather.
Yeah.
All right.
And the same blue, the bottom here,
Yeah.
which
The outsole.
if you look at the whole outsole, you'll notice that on the bottom you got CS.
And
This
then-
dude building CSC.
CS. Look over here.
What?
Yeah, over here you got
Oh,
the
you
C.
got different ones. Let me see this.
Yeah, they come together and you make a.
All right. So look, it's the Crenshaw Skate Club. So you got one dude with the C, other dudes with the SC, or was it? You got two dudes with the C, one dude with the SC. Right? It's the club. They putting the blocks together to make Crenshaw Skate Club. You get it. You understand it.
Yeah,
And then
you got it.
but then you got like some clouds in the sky.
Is it a palm tree
trees.
too?
Yeah.
So that's the building blocks, right?
Right.
And they
it's like
you know.
this outsole with the light blue is like the sky.
Yeah, agreed. That light blue translucent.
Yeah.
On the outsole.
The sky. That's why you got your clouds in it.
Yeah, man. I think just really a cool approach.
Yeah.
Like these, I think I really want to get like some sole protectors though to keep these
Yeah,
nice
I
and
do.
blue like this. That
Yeah.
icy blue.
It's a nice little cartoon they got in there though.
Yeah, that's again their font and they got this. Now look at the back of the tongue. You're getting that same motif, CSC,
Skate Club.
with the
It
guys with
reminds
the
me of,
building
like
block.
some classic
Like
children's cartoon. Schoolyard block. Or
Schoolyard rock, schoolhouse rock,
Schoolhouse rock. Yeah.
schoolyard block. Just as well.
Right.
Just as
Reminds
well.
me of that font.
Yeah, and they got the font here on the Nike SB on the tongue. So they got that in there.
Oh, you got Nike SB. We got the collab CSB, CSCSB.
CSB?
CSCSB.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's dope,
Hey,
man.
shouts out Crenshaw Skate Club, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
absolutely.
it's another detail I'm confused about.
Yeah, this back
What
here.
is on the back here?
So I think what I've read or heard, this is the Crenshaw sign. There's a sign that's shaped like this, and I don't know as much as I could find about it, but that is like some insignia. It looked like something that like said something or meant, like it definitely has some type of
Right, there's probably
significance.
some writing on here in
Yeah,
real life.
but I think it's a sign of some sort.
Alright.
But then also they got some more stuff
Wrapping his head.
on the back tab of the tongue. Lift up your little tiny tab. Mine says, "We are the ones."
We've been waiting for.
Wow,
We've
are the
been
ones.
waiting. We are the ones we've been waiting for.
So some hidden
Get it?
details.
Get it?
We are the ones. Like you're not waiting for somebody else.
You're not waiting for somebody to come and deliver it to you.
Yeah,
It's already within you.
that's it. Boom.
You just gotta give it to the world.
That's right. Good job, Nigel. And that's one to grow on, people. So yeah, good job.
It also comes with a couple other pairs of laces.
Yeah,
If you want to try some rustic red like you got here on the shoe.
right.
Or the
right.
yellow.
Cedar. That's what the box said, right?
Which one is cedar?
color? That'd be like this reddish brown.
Ah.
So yeah, it's more like
Because cedar's that color.
Yeah.
I don't know what cedar looks like.
no,
Nope.
it's like wood, like a dark
Cedar wood.
burgundy-ish cedar wood.
Yeah, I know what that is.
Yeah, man.
Okay. I don't know why I just, yeah.
It's all good.
But yeah, it comes with a couple laces. I'll probably rock to be honest. I'll probably put the yellow on here.
Yeah, I don't get the yellow
I
tie
don't really see
in.
where that fits.
Maybe the building blocks? No, there's no
Is
yellow
there a
block.
yellow? Let me see yours.
No.
Nah.
No building block.
Well,
Maybe just to add color, but yeah.
right. It is a colorful shoe, so you could have just added some more colors to it.
I'd probably rock the cedar, but mostly I would probably rock the regular factory laced up, these gray joints.
Yeah, it fits well. I like it.
Yeah, but another detail to take out the insole inside. So we got your typical Nike SB insoles, right? You got some, I don't even know, is this like some heat map or something like that? Kind of like some type of heat scan.
Look.
Right. And then you got your memory foam, and this looks like it says Goob. I don't know who Goob is or what Goob means. Maybe that's their slang or something that they do.
Maybe it's 8006.
Or that.
Or
80006.
Maybe it's 9008.
Maybe it's a zip code. I don't know.
That might be a zip code.
If you know, tell us down in the comments.
Yeah.
We don't know. But it came with these extra insoles. So you can swap them out with these guys. And you get that same Goob or 6008, 8006 on the back as well.
Something, I don't know.
Yeah. Or you could go with this picture, to kind of go match with the outsole. But
this is a number you guys are reading that wrong. That's not 6,000.
8,006.
That would be 80,000, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, 80,006. That's what I meant.
80.
But your Zoom pouch, the Zoom pouch, the memory foam in the forefoot, which is typical of your Nike SBs.
If you want extra comfort, can you just double layer the insole?
I mean, you could, but your foot wouldn't fit in them.
We actually just came to a further conclusion, a recent observation that this logo on the back of the shoe here is the same logo on the insole, which is the Crenshaw Skate Club sign.
Right, which I did say a sign, but I wasn't 100% sure, but I think this confirms it.
Now we got it. Crenshaw Skate Club.
All right.
So it was really just repping a set. Again.
That's it. Repping a set for the culture. What y'all think about these? Were these on your list? Did you hit on them? Raffles, skate shops? Hit me down in the comments. Hit me on Instagram too at Real Daddy C.
But what's your rating, Dad?
My rating. Oh shoot, my rating. These are 10. I mean, these were a pair that I was really looking forward to. Really wanted these. Glad to get them. 10 for you too.
Realistically, yeah, I love these.
The detail is.
These was a 12. I'll probably wear these.
Right. Whew, luckily they're not. All right. Thanks for hanging out, y'all.
Peace.